So let's see what is universe wanting to tell you about your love life or about your life in general right now. It's going to be in Hindi and English mix. So let's see what do we have. So we have the Hierophant, we have Three of Pentacles, we have Eight of Cups, we have the High Priestess, Five of Cups. Okay. So let me tell you something. You have someone in your life who is guiding you in the right direction. Okay. But it seems that you're not listening to them. Okay. I think the person who is guiding you is someone who is actually a healer in themselves. Okay. This person is from a healing background. Okay. Other than that, if anyone else who is guiding you, please do not listen to them. Secondly, you might be getting a lot of signs from the universe in the form of posts and readings and this and that. But the problem is that you're being too calculative. You're using your mind too much. Somehow, some of you are your own gurus as well. Okay, so it's not just about receiving guidance from an external guru or anything, but you are definitely connected with the guru consciousness. Okay, so when you're connected with the guru consciousness, you don't have to go to an external guru. You do not have to seek for answers from an external environment. You are already getting answers about something, but the problem is that your mind is too busy to think about different stuff or different situations, assumptions, overthinking, calculating, planning the moves and this and that. But all you need to do is that you need to just move in a certain direction. Okay, what was meant to be yours is not yours anymore. This is something that you need to understand. You have gone a long way now. Now your journey, now your destiny is taking you in a different direction. Now you cannot come back. It's too late to come back. Okay, now this can be a message for you or it can be a message for someone else that you're dealing with, but your intuition is telling you the same thing. Your intuition is telling you that now it's all done, it's all finished. Okay, if you come back, if you come back here, it's like coming back to a hut rather than going to a castle. Okay, whatever is not in your life was never meant to be yours because you deserve more, right? You have, your life has different plans for you guys. And I am also sensing for some of the masculines, you might have to go or you should be going and traveling to mountain areas or something. You have something to handle there, you have something to take care of, you have a bigger purpose there in the mountains. Okay, you have a goal there, so I think you should be probably focusing on that particular goal, or you should be walking towards that goal instead of coming to this empty cup. Even if you come back, you will realize that the cup is completely empty, so you don't have to come to come back to that point A. You, this is point A, this is point B, and this is point C, so you have to go to the point C. You do not have to come to point A, because if you come to point A, you will again have to go to point C, because this is your destination. And I don't know why, but I do feel that this has a lot to do with your career as well. Okay, some of you have a really I do see some of you are going to, get settled in some mountain area or something, and you might want to share your wisdom, your experiences with others. You might become a coach, you might become a guide, or something like that. And some of you may want to be completely single also, is what I can see here. Okay, it's a very masculine reading, to be very honest. Other than that, we also got page of pentacles and six of wands, and we have death. So I think this reading has a lot to do with career and less to do with your love life. Okay, I don't see much of an interference with your love life right now. I think what universe wants to tell you is to take the right action when it comes to your career, because your career is directly connected with your love life. Okay, so if you don't take the right decision in your career, you might end up regretting your whole life. Okay, you guys are meant to become the hierophant yourselves. You guys are meant to become the some coach or some guru or some teacher, something of that sort. You have so much of knowledge to share with others. You can teach others, you can guide others, and I think this is something that you should be focusing on, rather than focusing on those small cups, or those small temporary stuff, or whatever you may want to call it. And second, we have page of pentacles, six of wands, and death. So I think this is a time where there's going to be a big transformation in your career, but that will only happen if you look at your career closely. Right now you're being too much on the surface. You're not really digging into it. You're not really understanding the depth of your career right now. Some of you guys are someone who have a very big purpose, like literally a very big purpose, but then you are underestimating yourself, thinking that, oh, maybe I just deserve a job, maybe I should just do this, maybe I should do that, this course, that course, blah blah blah. So you're thinking very small. Okay, and that is because you're underestimating yourself. That is because you think that this is what you ever dreamt of. So you guys, some of you have been dreaming really small, whereas universe has been wanting to give you something really big. You have been wanting to be in a playground, but universe has been wanting to give you a whole field. So think very wisely. Whatever decision you want to take wise decisions. Okay, so so this is what I feel, and I also feel that you have someone who can guide you on this, someone who has that high priestess energy. Okay, probably you are also getting intuitive downloads about your career, about where you should be going, because I think where you are right now, or the direction you want to go in, can give you some kind of burden. Okay, I see exhaustion, I see you falling sick, I see you falling ill. uh, I see you, I just see you not being happy, is what I feel, in your career. Okay, some of you are just doing it just for the sake of it. Okay, and there's a whole big plan that universe is waiting for you to recognize. Universe is waiting for you to recognize that plan, to see that plan, to acknowledge it, and to walk on that path. And then the victory will be yours. Then only the transformation is going to come. Otherwise there's no transformation, otherwise there's no wisdom, otherwise there's no success, no victory. Okay, you will just be happy with candies probably. So that is what I feel. So also, one more message that I'm getting is some of you are actually trying to show off, okay, with certain things. And this show off, you might think that if you show this, if you show that, this can boost your confidence, or people are going to recognize you or reward you or whatever, but that is not going to be the case at all. Let me tell you this very clearly. Okay, you are creating certain illusions. You are being in a la la land, some of you. um, so come out of that la la land and do the real thing. Do the real thing, come on. Okay, very masculine reading. Take care, bye bye.